Are you evicting your tenants? Do they refuse to leave? Evictions can be challenging, and there are strict regulations. Following procedure is critical, and we can help you. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and review your lease agreement, assess your state's regulations, and plan your approach. Eviction's strict rules can differ by state, but usually a breach of contract must occur. Formal notice is required along with time to rectify the issues. There are protections in place for the tenant, and remember, this is their home. Consulting a lawyer can help execute a successful and legal eviction. If you go to court, your membership provides a legal defense at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.